last dance for the evening.
Leslie!
Oh, sorry. Presenting for the last dance of the evening, Madeline Faith. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo!
Don't show any hair.
Hurry up. Go over there. Hurry up.
Hi, Layla's heading let's start all over again, okay?
Okay.
Can you sing a song from school?
It's important than school song. It's gonna be the best song ever. When your parents leave, there's gonna be a babysitter leave. Everybody leave, even the kid, to patient's office. You are that going that way, or going this way. You have to be patient. Sit down in a chair. Then somersault if you want to. Have a good day, long. How do you do? No way long. Let's go home. Everybody go. Go to yourself first. Or to the park first. Anywhere you want to go. Yay! How do you phone?
Very nice.
Very nice, Maddie. Can
I?
you go over there and give your curtsy and your bow?
I just did the curtsy.
I didn't get it on tape. Hurry up. Go do it. Hurry up. Turn around. Curtsy. Bow. Very good. Say good night.